Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know that Infosys round 1 will be happen tomorrow, and first of all the best to the candidates who have exams. So in this video I will talk some of the important last minute tips and the important query that many of the candidates have doubt like how many question I should attempt. So first thing that I want to tell before talking about the tips, first make sure to check your login credential and you can note down somewhere, okay, because at last time डोंट बी इन अ हरी एंड डोंट बी इन अ हेस्ट सिचुएशन, अदरवाइज आपका भाई पूरा असेसमेंट बिगड़ जाएगा. ओके, अदर थिंग दैट आई वांट टू टेल दैट फ्रेंड्स, मेक श्योर टू फॉरगेट योर पासवर्ड and basically set a new password, otherwise you will face issue and your time might get wasted. Okay, and the timeline, whatever the time they have mentioned, that you can log in only on that particular time limit. Okay, means अगर आपका एग्ज़ाम 10 AM से स्टार्ट होगा, then you have to log in by 9:50 or 9:55, and basically window will be active till 10:20 or 10:15 you can log in. So don't be late and don't think that you will get another chance. Okay, that's the thing. Many of the candidates are saying that in my portal the assessment is not showing, because friends, assessment will shown in your portal only before 30 minutes or 1 hour before. Okay, so don't think that it will not show, it will show for sure. And the other things that must use your mobile hotspot, don't depend on Wi-Fi, otherwise anytime it might get happen. Okay, and make sure to having a good background. Okay, don't put, what can I say, dim light or what can I say, some other एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स लाइक अदर फेसेस अगर डिटेक्ट हुआ तो देन भाई आप डायरेक्टली डिस्क्वालीफाई हो जाएंगे एंड यू विल नॉट गेट एनी चांस. नाउ लेट मी कम टू सम ऑफ द लास्ट मिनट टिप्स. सो अगेन लास्ट मिनट टिप्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डोंट बी पैनिक एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व एज मेनी एज क्वेश्चन एज यू कैन. सो फर्स्ट आवर आप भाई सबसे पहले आप 10 मिनट्स जस्ट क्वेश्चन को पिक करने में टाइम दे. ओके, मीन ट्राई टू पिक द क्वेश्चंस. देयर विल बी एटलीस्ट वन क्वेश्चन विच यू विल एबल टू सॉल्व इजीली. ओके, सो दैट द थिंग आई वांट टू टेल. एंड फ्रेंड्स, सिंस दिस विल बी ऑनलाइन टेस्ट, सो द cutoff will be higher, so I will suggest minimum at least try to solve 1.5, and minimum I will suggest 2 questions, because you know friends, either you are doing the cheating or not, other student will get cheating. So I am not basically supporting the cheating, but yeah, if you will not do cheat and if you will not able to solve at least 2 coding question, then you might not get shortlisted for the second round. So that's the thing, आपको वही according to the scenario and according to the condition you have to prepare enough. Okay, so that's the thing, because post getting to the second round there will be very low coding cutoff, like 1 coding question if you will able to solve, then for sure you will get the interview call. Again, it completely depends on the performance of other students and other candidates, but this is the main things. So minimum question at least आप 1.5-2 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का ट्राई करें. एंड वेन एवर फर्स्ट शिफ्ट विल एंड आई विल केम विद द वीडियो ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल फर्स्ट, सो नो नीड टू वरी. एंड रिलेटेड टू कोडिंग हैक्स, आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ डिटेल वीडियो दैट डोंट डू डायरेक्टली कॉपी एंड पोस्ट फ्रॉम द AI and other sources. You have to refactor the code if you are not getting the solutions. Okay, so make sure to note down your username and password at somewhere, and be confident and be positive and try to give all the things. So I will not take much of your time. So again, last thing I want to tell, try to solve as many number of questions and try to pass the test cases. Utilize these 3 hours very well, because those students only those will be eligible who will successfully pass at least 1.5, and again it completely depends on other things. So these are the some things I want to tell, and just go through the PYQs and the coding questions which I have already provided in the WhatsApp or Telegram group, and just do your best and just leave to the God. And soon there lots of hiring with like Cognizant and other companies, so I will provide all those updates on my YouTube channel. So take a rest and all the best for your exam. कोई भी query feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta or anywhere you can ask your query. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.